Dear students, effects on social life. Okay, the next topic is effects on social life. Dear student, Warren Hastings, the person who was given the job of collecting revenue, was known as a collector. He also formed the function of a judge. The British system of administration destroyed our ancient system of self-rule because we have a self-rule. Okay, in the ancient times, every village was like a small republic. You know, the republic elected from the among us, the word, the term was like a small village. Gram Panchayat handled the administration of the entire village. These panchayats were like the backbone of the self-rule in our country in ancient times. These institutions of local self-rule stood their ground even during the times of foreign invasions also. Okay, still that system of rule was prevalent in our ancient India and the Sultanate period also. Okay, but was destroyed due to the administrative policies of the British. We can, it is the here point is that, okay, India was under different invaders, rulers till, okay, ancient times. Many kings emerged. Okay, many kings came from out of India. Okay, they rule our country, but they don't interfere our administration system. Okay, all these things. But due to the cunning policy of the British, okay, it great effect on the social life. These institutions of local self rule stood their ground even during the time of foreign invasion, just I told, and the Sultanate period of and the Mughal period also still exists. That's why Indians people never revolt against these policies. But these English people destroyed due to the administrative policies of the British. The policy of social reforms by the company made people feel insecure and suspicious. The policy of social reforms by the company made people feel insecure and suspicious. Okay, due to the British policy of social reform, they changes different social reforms in our country. Okay, by the East India Company, the Indians feel insecure themselves and they doubt about these policies. They felt that the government was trying to convert them to Christianity because most of these Britishers belong to this caste of religion of Christianity. So Indians naturally suspect that, okay, they want convert these Indians into Christianity and destroy the Indian culture, okay, our beautiful culture and religious forever. People believed that the Indian social system was deliberately undermined in the railways and undermined. Okay, in the railways and military, an order was passed in Agra that every Indian had to salute the British. If it was not done, it was considered a crime and was liable for punishment. As a result, there was a widespread sentiment of anger and hatred for the British among the Indians. So these are the social reforms made by the Warren Hastings. This social reforms bore a anti-sentiment against the British people. Due to that, Indians revolt. These are the strong causes of this. Okay, these are the strong causes of social reform by the Warren Hastings that led to the, okay, revolt. Next, dear student, destruction of Indian trade and industries.